Tired of distractions? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to transform your world with unbeatable noise cancellation. These aren't just good, they offer industry-leading noise cancellation, making your commute, office, or plane ride a personal oasis of sound. Imagine pure focus for work, or immersive audio for your favorite tunes, completely free from external noise. And the magic doesn't stop there. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music and calls will last through your longest days and travels. Forget constant recharging. These headphones are built for endurance, so you can enjoy uninterrupted audio enjoyment. Seamlessly switch between devices thanks to multipoint connection capability, letting you answer a call on your phone or watching a movie on your laptop. It's the ultimate convenience for anyone juggling work and entertainment across multiple gadgets, making your digital life smoother. If you're looking for the absolute best wireless headphones for 2025, you have to check these out. Link is in the description below. The Sony WH-1000XM5 offers unparalleled sound quality, comfort, and smart features that truly set it apart from the competition. Upgrade your audio experience today. These are easily the top noise-canceling headphones to buy right now.